is a walkthrough of room 488 at Samstown on the Boulder Highway in Las Vegas. And this room actually is what I would call sort of stereotypical Boyd. Is it the most modern room in the world? No. Is it spotlessly clean? Absolutely. And you always get a certain standard at Boyd properties, which is what I always like. Just a standard king really, but really, really spotless. It's a regular bathroom, the tub. I'm very much looking forward to staying at this hotel for tonight, seeing what the gambling's like, what the slots are like, what the resort's like really. An ironing board in there. Bed looks pretty comfy. It's got a very homely feel to it, this for sure. Telly's pretty nice, pretty big. And here you got your safe and a fridge for your own stuff. And then writing desk with coffee maker. And a seating area in the corner there. I asked for a room that faced inwards so that I could see the Mystic Falls Park. Now they have a water show in the corner there. You can see a waterfall. They have a water show that goes off. Well, today is Thursday, so it goes off at 6, 8 and 10 p.m. So I'm going to go downstairs and film that for you later on the regular vlog. But it's a pretty cool look. You know, their lifts that go up on the outside there. I like the vibe, and the good thing here is because it's inside, the windows are absolutely spotless. See, I'm looking forward to exploring this property tonight. It's absolutely massive, really huge on first look. But I got this as a comp. I'm only Ruby level at Be Connected, which is the Boyd players card. But I had a free midweek night. I'm going to throw in some money. You never know, I might get some more comps down the line. But pretty impressed so far. Speak to you soon.